Like they're going to put a road on either side of the aisleway. Looks like you're going to have an entrance and an exit, like a big figure eight maybe, but I can't figure out why, because they're not going to have much room for the house in the middle. I'm thinking that's what's going on. There's the house they're going to use as a model. I'm thinking that's the house right across the street from Rite Aid that you can look through to see if how to set up your house if you're going to purchase one in this subdivision. I'm just speculating that. I'm not sure, not positive, but that's what I think. Looks like three or four places to park and then a pass through or pass by area, then a couple more places to park. I don't know if there's going to be a house there or not. This is the area that if you're going to have water on your property, this where you have to pick the house from, because this is the only water I can see on this property. It's not much, but you definitely have some water for sure. I think this might be the skateboard park for this subdivision, but I'm not positively for sure. But it looks pretty nice and clean and flat. These are just some shots I took around the area, left, right, front, and back, just to see what you're going to be living next to or near. You definitely don't have to go far to get to Rite Aid or to Red Dog, that's for sure. I never knew there was water way back there in the background. That's a pretty big area. There's a house on it or two, it looks like. How do you get to it? You must have to go down a dirt road way in the back someplace. I never noticed that.